any referees any reporter omonso erebe konyina no eno nso DC no ebe hwem na enipa bia omonso omo ade se ombehu omo ewo sa report nim no nso eno nso punishment ebe ba bontin ti sabre de Nations FC verdict no enya ba bontin baseke only stars 3 points omaje enso ede si omo na so asisi amame league table new GPL table no after say ruling no eba bontin no say ena table no enso etimi akoye baby any goal stars omo ena edasoro wa 63 points omo de J League no out of Lions aba betoso mienu ena fen so Asante Kodoko abetoso miensa House of Folk abetoso enai Nations FC na otoso mienu no waba betoso enum enso eho baseke only stars after say verdict no eba bonten no omo nso aba betoso edumienu enso eho nti wei ensema Ghana Premier League no after say yebowie no ensema ebe ena na repair yebo eche enso edi amount ewo Sompa 93.1 afin so Sompa TV sentino mo na mo pe verdict ni nyina no enya aba bonten Nations FC omo de communicate enso aba bonten chema ensem no DC no eba bonten no omo nyintum de na enso enya de se omo beye appeal bia area fasa ensem no enso ehu nti eno nso ensem a Nations FC area tudwa ye de nimu chemu aka nyina ebeba ebra ya tena se 9:30 ewo full time no enso yenko coach Karim Zito aso ye Asante Kotoko head coach na yenin komo akra enfemfri ni ho ochemo party Asante Kotoko mo last game a mo division FC ebo ya mulusu ekamiensa etim bakono oya supporter ema wabamu mu emane how nemom Sunday against Golden Cakes MTN FA Cup finals no mumra na mbe support team no.
We still have one attack, and that one is more important than even we winning this game. Because we winning this game will not help us to win the league. You understand me? But the one coming next week, so they should come. They should not lose hope. They should come and then we should fight. We both combine and we fight for the ultimate.
Eno coach Karim Zito say fans ni na mumra na mumba tawo machi no mum fighting for the ultimate eno trophy na sisa game no eso no we no eno akasa fa Asante Kotoko transfers o say there players no ebi beko.
That's their mind. That's their mind. It has a lot to make it to come out of the squad. It has a lot to come out of the squad. Though the majority will be in, but definitely some will go.
Yes, Entino, eno coach Karim Zito medinka breaking story no. Edi ama ofia had that say there after the season no Asante Kotoko omo the announcement ne beba betu ja say isi coach Karim Zito ono ebe head coach aba team no enti say announcement no na ye twen na Emmanuel Enchi midfielder Edma Asante Kotoko last season and omo fan from Great Olympics na abrante no akasafa Asante Kotoko Jenny no they were nanka all expect any they were enoma ntimi ankwe amfama no.
Okay, so it was a great start for me. And also after my call out to the Black Stars, I had issues, I had injuries, I had personal issues too, so I was dealing with. So yeah, I would say it was a great start, but going forward, I came down due to the injuries and what I was going through as well. So yeah, I would say it was 50-50.
Eno midfielder Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Emmanuel Enchi abrante ni chema o starting year pa and I'm so emaninya Black Stars call up na oko Black Stars ne ba ya obepira no and an form no entimi anye said ye etie enso ebiema ode sansem no etudwa no na amobisa ne say as man na last season any this season o compare one kasa o performance say na beka
assessment. Yeah, comparing that games to this season, this season I would say there's a big difference because starting with Asante Kotoko, I came with that full energy. I was fully fit. I wasn't having any personal issues, so I was just being myself, and everything went well smoothly. But after my call up to the Black Stars, when I came back and I had injuries, I think that one made me shallow of myself. Like I wasn't being myself because I was scared to get injured again because injury is not my thing. So experiencing that gave me some headaches and made me feel like a little bit down. So you have to take time before I'll just come back to myself, and gradually I feel I'm getting back to myself, but yeah, returning to be good.
Eno Emmanuel entry and the san 72 years said Drew baby no na ehua bono na osuro se osabe premier because last season our Great Olympics about 4 season our bra wanya injury enya de a ono etaiba na kwamti we na obenya injury sa no na ehua ba na ima we injury no say ena isifa how.
Mine was something different. I feel it's not even about the hype and everything. I feel that I know how to do it. You understand? But Bibi Nama Bibi you understand? If it wasn't these injuries I was going through, like you see the injury people know out there. So I feel said at church when I say you understand? I'm now getting back to my old self, and I feel sensitive with time now. Like people will see the real injury they know, and yeah, it's good.
Next season ena mubehu Emmanuel Enchina Santekoko etiska ekoto no achia na emuye esena bebu nyina no ene ensema Emmanuel Enchi enso ade tuja no ma bi ena beba na akwama ama wanya ne form na nanka odi free Great Olympics enso eba no na momma me Hamza Obey Muhammad ready a confirmation no enya ba Asantekoko second assistant coach and so you team head coach Hamza Obey Muhammad ono enaisia Obey adwuma no eriama Kumasi Asante Roko waye adwuma de ama mediama House of Folk and so vision sisia de Asante Roko oye second assistant coach and so Asante Roko you team no ono so Obey adwuma eriama mo Andrews in team menu momame Andrews in team menu the most improved player this season ewo Kumasi Asante Roko Andrews in team menu yes Abrantewe we improve pa this season out of the 34 Ghana Premier League games Abrante no about 32 matches na onya 7 yellow cards and 1 assist as midfielder and so Edema Kumasi Asante Roko Andrews in team menu adodo na friend Pepe enkwanta kese boy and I say Abrante no the performance at this season or done edino ye bomu nchemu enso etimi ediama ene anope no na yanko eyade say Nations FC omusi you aye freno eye Kwame Twumasi yes it's already or sitting ton time or the osumni nyina aba na wiye enso ewo eyade say Nations FC going into next season enya dey say obey see you and so e dey ama Nations FC biema and also ensema abetodwa yen so ye boy che e dey ama ene anopay na ewo Sompa 93.1 afenso Sompa TV ntino Alexis and asabredi or dey esomna be na wie no na Alhaji Gruza and so akasa area fa openia your friend Karim Zito ehu
I'm not a supporter, but Omu Kumasi for Kumasi, I was happy. I don't know maybe happy, especially Kumasi.
Eno Alhaji Karim Gruza. And Edesan Samno and so Tujano. Na mumma me promoted and relegated teams, Na afen so teams are sabre Oma qualified to the Ghana Premier League in Oma. Omonso ya relegate to Omo to the Division 1 no. Na yenwe kakrantino. Yes, they say Techima 11 Wonders. Swedro Oblast and afen so they say Hoho United. Omo 3 teams are ya promote to Omo and afen so and so Atrema Legon Cities and Accra Lions. Omonso ya relegate to Omo and so call Division 1 no and so emu. Na momame Abrantia ononso your friend Abib Ganiu Vision FC player Abrantia we wabo adwuma area ma Vision Endra and a Vision for a confirm say Abrantia no enka atiasefoɔ ho biom ɛwɔ asase so wei ɛyɛ arehosem kɛseɛ pa ato Ghana football nyina ɛno nso ɛyɛ arehosem nti Habib Ganiu yes Vision FC player Endra ɛna Vision confirm say abrante no enso etimi Efrim na Ashanti top 8 no mama me Ashanti top 8 no na afen so Endra ɛwɔ Kumase Baba Sports Stadium ɛyade sɛ SHS baako enwotwe ekohia ye enso ebo ɛyade sɛ top 8 cap no na Okes Edumai enso echi Okes ehye omo kabako a omo entimi ante Amas ehye Edujamfi ekamienu ɛna afen so Sims omo ne Sakafia game no Sakafia for and show up enti ebeye walkover edema Sims ɛna afen so Owas enso EDVT OT enso honomo na semi finals no Amas ehye Owas ekabako omo ntimi ante ɛna afen so Sims ehye Edumai ekabako omo ntimi ante ewo semi finals no ɛna afen so finals no TI Amedia Amas Phobia Endra omutimi eche Miami Niaba Made nyina Sandra Boache Sims etwa ne kabako a omo enso entimi ante a chese ba na wie no na chese Amas enso age top 8 no e de esi omo na so na Sims fo no ene eje omo meda na bo se Sandra ye nafu ne bom no yes ensi Sandra Boache Grace Uniaba no Endra na nafu no apie pa sisi ano enya agro no ogira dugout ho na ohwe ni mu senka obeje trophy we enso Endra ni goalkeeper enfom so a okoye ye man back pass okotwe ena ye je ball ni free ni sema okonti Sandra ena sha white o cheche na o je ni medal chese na funo enso ebom si anu nti Sandra Boache baby a obia some passports ye ma better luck next time enso nti mo ma me Amas phobia Endra bra yes Amas for ena eje omo enso medals ne kama Endra 2025 Ashanti top 8 no Amas enso ena eje edi si wo na so na ene anopay some passports ye gina eye Sompa anamu Sompa TV Sompa 93.1 na enkwada mokocho BC ni nyina yama mu good luck kese pa ene anopay miame wo fa sin na Lisa o adanse akrofrom Methodist also ocho BC ene anopay ene afin so Vanessa nso ewo Bremai West Vanessa munyina yemamu good luck ene anope sabrede powers ede ye konkofon cruise
Orlando ya samba they say they say enubre na ba the economy but yenkwa me no nemra me pato Grace Obama me enra de call so ewo Madrid camp na me din komo kakra ukọ Real Madrid enra na bibia nso ebebe ye confirm of course did we na go through long ago efa akra ne din enso edi din Hilson enso eho enra me di candidate to wani o powerhouse mra yetena se ewo full time show no so sa akra no besia owura ne Daddy Zabi Alonso enti ni meeting with Alonso no ana uguso wo hwe Sompa eye television so again Sompa 3.1 our Facebook and so this is the meeting and no echo so and no medical to him say and no medical so be so and also call so our sanitas for there was our Sompa television so no ayet echo so nina and ra our boy no so asre our Real Madrid and uguso wo hwe no ansana finally presentation and also echo so and then matter from penny funnel amani jersey number 24 atese eno na kra no ebabese na me kan fanto anim sa born on April 14 2005 akra we ewo 20 years or your center back but or your tall lanky or what ni height no aye 1.97 meters into utmu sakura no enso awa anyasam ketwa 20 years was signed 5 years contract and Adama Madrid Bobokono until June 30 ayam 2030 5 years and was signed and so at the Ama Club no memfanto obianim say a 50 million pounds and a Real Madrid etria in 3 installment Adama Bonman Bobokono a May 14 2025 this year and a D-way as to be beyond 3 installment 10% ebekwa ma Juventus, 5% ebekwa diama Malaga Boboku no eno ayakra we de free na so enso totwa no na after so sign contract bia enso ebana wie no de totwa say I am joining the best club in the world and I'm here to give my all. I want to thank the president and the club for the trust they invested in me. I want to be here since day one. Since they called me, I didn't consider any other team. Enti Emra team and the Adi Madrid no na ohun se Madrid aba picture no no obia friend on fa na onye na twen so be move akwa any other club and ya kra no so the free na so ye todwa and na anope na powerhouse egu so get the ensama utoni na no e de ma ye tiefo odwumate we so medical dia to anim sa kra we o se ne role model Sergio Ramos no shonon Ensuciano, and just after say contract no say we no Sergio Ramos man message on the Kasai just that day and no see he's my biggest idol, the best center back in history and the most complete one. And the center backs no yanya hudwebri John Terry mo ababo bonibi top players and ababo as center backs, but Ojidi said the most complete one, the best. And so ayo ogana ni ten and so at Sergio Ramos and aya kranin somebody tuja and that day anopane egusede in sama utoni na no at the bana bibia so atuma kama afimin to so nkonsambu from na bibia so antum enkoso me pato me ko oman ni ten Senegal when himself Senegal and no mo say England 3-1 na you friendly 3 for Senegal 1 for England. Hurricane on the 7th minute and also first goal no adima England and watching Ismail Sarr on the 40th minute Ogati equalizer 62nd minute Habib Diarra as a second goal adima the Taranga Lions of Senegal and Zanachik Sabali 90+3 or making 3 for Senegal. The first time in the history of England national team no South African nation and also maybe every Africa and so to also a bin sita and no aye defro so total and that they no payegu said in some no at the pana bibia so atuma kama afi Grace yankwenim ne ndin komo mami coach and the Thomas Tuchel after the game no England 1 Senegal 3 opening ensama or the two jano yente kakra ula yentino
equalized and we're not happy with the result. I'm okay with the reaction that we showed. I think we equalized and had chances to equalize, big chances, and to turn maybe the match around. We didn't, so the result is the result. We go into a long break with bad feeling and with a loss, which is not simply not nice and which is not what we wanted. No, I will never be glad for a loss.
Inti eno aye coach and the Thomas Tuchel ne somebody tuja just after mu game just so Senegal 3 England 1 and no aye te course no afi mame opinion the Teddy Max Allegri na menye transfer stories ni bina bibia so ntumenye kama se wuko esim la bobo kwenu ma damitenie and some penifo eja bibia edam coach Max Allegri in terms of transfers no yes opinion onhwe bibia no enja enso ntumi fama club no as penifo bebema na chese sikasam ni ate and ebema mo so bem wo eja bibia emfa eye mercato no ho anasa market no ade ase coach ni so nsa en ayen some ni so fru on so todwa en na de anopane egusu ni nsama wuto no ade pana bibia so atuma kama afi mi ko Chelsea boboku no omo so ye mama kra no ne di ade Matthias aye Amuku na no shaka ade ma strong boboku no set to join from Chelsea wonim say and the Chelsea for and the Strasbourg club na wie okoko shakan and so to be their momo after Andre Santos and so free club and so Johnny Chelsea no in penifogidi sasa boy we and so call no Johnny Oma and so betuma boa this is the latest every Chelsea boboku no and so straight to no afi mami Kendry Pies na mintini hu nkomo will join Strasbourg on loan from Chelsea and sase no Chelsea and Strasbourg ewo France edin komo bebre say ndafo famapa enso ababedo muntam wonim say country from Colombia and then nyadia obeko FIFA Club World Cup no esanse oko France ekwakwesa akanso ho afi mama makra Tade Martin eye Baturuni ono so Johnny Combo from Dynamo Zagreb all the way from Croatia 18 million euros plus few add-ons and also betuma rise ako 25 million euros contract until June 2030 nyankopon ya do de amete ene se enete no ono so beto so na chese medicals no wo so atumi ahwe na wo opass medicals no wie pe on Saturday metese official confirmation ebe fi komo boboko no wo so aso eto abetotwa no ayansam refri won so etotwa enete no mama akra de Teddy Rodrigo Goes na mintin nkomo from Brazil osiakan enso at mama tre boboko no eno amede betutwa say ya de na agent ni penifo ebe shakota the team adi Xabi Alonso no master so betime hu the future of the boy your friend Rodrigo me part of the way our Instagram page after the meeting and obetregu was Madrid say bibia edi adanse Sakra no obeko so asiakan e de amama tribobokun oye happy enya de free club no so tomako enu ayensoma ne so to twendetei yegu so ayede nsam agoto de pa na bibia so tomai kama mam Alexander Kolarov from Inter nkomo kakra former Manchester City left back na born no ya de Kolarov se de tenie and some oba ababe assistant to Christian Kivu as I am Inter Milan assistant boss and as a coach and not I am someone who's influence tota and that no Ryan Cherky deal ya done when you adjourn Manchester City way ayenra after say bibia go through no officially confirmation no every the citizens aye club and thing and so at the Manchester City netoja so 5 years contract and our plan so sign until June 2030 me pato de tenye we mu 36 million euros at the amount club Olympic Lyon plus 6 million euros in add-ons and no I reporter everyone so ever and the confirmation no every Manchester City boboko no and so asye toja mami Calvin De Bruyne na me no nkomo so say De Bruyne deal no dia ebanie nyame ya do Thursday na chese etina obey medicals with Napoli deal no and also enya go through anasa a 2 years contract plus 1 year option oba agree na cheso no so sign at the Amba club no medicals medical they to him so on Thursday and obey medicals no or pasipe wababa club and the Napoli and so a player and no I am somebody be an so toja and that anopano no mama opinion the daddy Hebetena or no na president for Bayern Football Club and a day meti sem nyankopon ya duma December 2025 and I'm buying and so to about no master someone and the next president but opinion the tell her betena when him say why yeah for 2 terms or say Obasan Swako another term not just for the third term no or also Obasan Swako akwa ye juma diama club and thing at Bayern and no I am somebody be no so on so toja and that anopana no afi yanko club World Cup and so na min konko din komo kakra before club World Cup no mami FIFA World Cup qualifiers yentin komo mam Brazil against Paraguay and Ra game na no ten but Brazil say no Vini Junior dia wo hwe I was Sompa television so I Vinicius Junior go now or say on the 44th minutes at the Brazil in fact no ana bomb Brazil nei wom enso qualify World Cup na say almost Paraguay aye 1-0 and aye dia total no but Orlando say dia tennis win himself Brazil no certain and enya bad kura dia tennis and Alisson Becker imposed Vanderson de Oliveira Campos started as a right back. Alexandru on the left side of defense. Marcos Aye Correa Marquinhos started was central defense. Alexandro Aye Ribeiro and also started Bruno Ayugamerai Enso Stateye Carlos Henrique Casimiro Rafael Diaz Rafinha Vini Jr. Gabriel Martinelli of Arsenal and Mateus Cunha Gomo and Stateye Enso de club anything at the Ayab announce on my first Brazil and we are there course Enra and they are doing some I will tell them here for our platform Kasiwe so when we say Enra and a Don Carlo Ancelotti and your sister years born on 10th of June 1959 and run on your sister years na obo Brazil mama so to qualify ya ba 930 mama videos ni bi how Brazil and so supporters no is celebrating and na enya asamketwa ni nyina no akoso na again Bolivia SA2 ama Chile enso ntomante ogua de tade Miguelito Enzo aye Monterio wo mu na so 2 goals at ma Bolivia wonim say Uruguay SA2 Venezuela enso ntomante mu bi Rodrigo Agar and of course Georgia the Arikaita Gomu and also 2 goals and some Adema Uruguay Peru nil Ecuador nil Argentina say 1 and Colombia and so take on game no a kokwe 1-1 me pato de tenie Luis Diaz or J Born Liverpool mo player no answer Argentina ni defender bia or Kobia Gunechi we back no channel no odwe atwa till say okopia ball no and so the two at them 9:30 ubenya video no airshare Argentina 1 Colombia 1 Fiego Amanda ono na se kano edema Argentina after say Luis Diaz as a goal edema Colombia when him say Enzo Fernandez at the red card we game no 71st minutes and a red card no and so to me paye nyame ya tuma 9:30 be san so ba ne ba be dun komo bebre min ko Juve na min konkodin komo so say diamete and some opinion ten edu Dusan Vlahovic Damian Komoli enso ebesia no say me to say Christian Quintoli eja bibia adama Damian Komoli say on shakrano on ni ntin komo DV9 and komoteno bekoso just after the international break when Mr. Sessoko Asia kind at the moment and the Serbia and not Serbia and so 3 Mabasa came in so be tun komo damitin so next year and the contract in the best pie until also mo hwe na nimu ya no na omo hwe so best standing and also mucha a boy no so quite manako and no ayen so many so toja and that no mama Manchester City 3 players are almost more before such transfer window no and so close and good. Na Ola Shadewe, Tijani Rendes, Ryan Chelky, Ryan Alt Nori, 3 players way wominano enya adjone Manchester City. Na eno and over the tadi Roy King say again one kakra Worcester City bobo kono players amu last transfer window players amu sanye still woma ye busy I will transfer marketing to top players again woma titru kra ya boy ya the edi Tijani Renters how Man City coolly and now say gomu fetchile enso area boy na obia ntuma asem no ayade aye no wonwa enum aye Mr. Roy King somebody atutwa and that day anopan yegu so jade ehun sam ahodo enso ede ema yetie forward mete we so the best central defensive pair lost 20 years edekum blanks wo de be matim ben best central defensive pair lost 20 years yeba 9:30 yeba shon edin komo kakra esansa penibi akasa ebi se John Terry Ricardo Cavallo ebi enso esen bokwa ayebobo kwa ne te Manchester Ray Ferdinand ani ogura ne tade ni manja vintage dia no ebi se Sergio Ramos ani Pepe dia na yeba 9:30 yeba gram ne yedi ehun komo bebre enso platform kese no so full time ewo 9:30 eni ania best defensive partnership lost 20 years and yen shani ni unkomo bebre na bibia so entum enkoso enso ewo ho me pa to ko ban no boboko na so ye da meeting ye and this Leroy Sunny are you very close so be Johnny Galatasaray deal no enso e you almost done wo mo di nkomo de de akire after so rejected ban no boboko no enso contract extension mpede for editu nanim enayi or say on sign and no ayete etotwa no wo call FIFA club FIFA World Cup na Finland and no qualifiers no wɔn hyɛ 2 ama Poland enso etimu baako enwechi Netherlands ɛhyɛ 8 ama Malta enso antimu bi Memphis Depay ɛhyɛ 2 goals Virgil van Dijk ɛhyɛ goal owura ne Jenny Simons enso hyɛ 1 Malin hyɛ 1 enwechi Van de Ven Mickey Van de Ven enso ɛhyɛ another 1 edima Netherlands Romania hyɛ 2 ama Cyprus antimu bi Florin ɛyɛ Tanasi ɔno hyɛ 1 Dennis Mann enso ɛhyɛ goal San Marino tifie ma Austria ɛbɛsɛ ɔmo 4-0 Malko Anatovic ogura ne tɛn Mikel enso ɛhyɛ goal baako Marco again and of course ɛyɛ Baumgartner ɔno so ɛhyɛ another goal memfanto anim sɛ Serbia 3 Andorra 0 Alexander Mitrovic ɔno ɛna ɛhyɛ 3 goals ni nyinaa enso ɛdema Serbia mmerɛ ne tie de besia na yɛ sorry na morning show team no asan bɛtoa so Omahene yaw edubuache